Welcome back for another episode of the Bob Carr Show. Today in the studio, got my son, Gabriel. How you doing, buddy?
I'm good. How you guys doing?
I understand you just getting back from school today?
Yes, sir.
So what's happening in school?
Me and a couple of people was doing a project about America and like moving to America and stuff for English. So we just finished the first part today. So that was pretty nice.
So that was your morning?
Yeah.
I got you. So what else is going on in school? Anything interesting?
Nothing much. Just trying to get my grades a little bit up so I can try out to baseball team.
Baseball's coming up soon.
Yep, on March.
Yes, sir.
This one starts tryout.
So you going to be part of that?
Yes, sir.
Absolutely.
Yes,
that sounds good. So you working on your driver's license, I hear.
Yes. I'm getting,
I hear. I guess since there's a car in the driveway, I guess you're working on it.
Yes, I'm getting everything ready and just, studying for the tests and yeah.
Tell us a little bit more about your project you're working on.
So today we just finished a paragraph about the poem that we were reading, and then there's gonna be other parts in the project like a collage. But some groups find like easier to do like just the paragraphs and stuff, but my teacher said that we can like change it up and like choose other ways to do the project. So we're still on the planning part of the project. So yeah.
I gotcha. So how's school going overall?
Good, actually. Yeah. It's been a little tough with the grades and stuff, but I'm already working on back there. So
Gabriel, you going to work with us again this summer?
Yes, sir. It's always fun to work with you guys.
We appreciate you coming in and helping us in the summer months, and you helped us back over over your winter break.
Yep.
You and Graydon got a lot of footage running around with the guys, installing holiday lights. Mm-hmm. So appreciate you coming in.
Yes,
and
sir.
We'll talk to you on the next episode. And this wraps up another episode of the Bob Carr Show. See you in the next episode.